complete physical, mental and social well-being. We can maintain our well-being by cultivating good habits and fostering positive thinking. To enable the students realize the benefits of good health, students of class 2B are going to present an assembly on health and wellness. Class KG, please attend the students.
Always make your stomach stress. Writing is a good thing like drawing fresh air. Always drink water. If plants save you from the sun. If you will do this, you can go everywhere with your home. Always do exercise. It is good for your health. Health is more important in final way. In the sound pollution, very popular why said a person and a thing of health enjoys everything good in life. Physical exercise is good for our health, so is mental exercise is for our mind. Without them, we can't enjoy the life to the fullest. So today, we students of class 2B are going to present an assembly on health and wellness.
Good, very nice, Shubha.
It's a fresh start and new opportunity. So let's greet the day with open arms. Let's thank God for giving us extreme knowledge and wisdom.
Stop.
Find results in an unhealthy body. offers you a feeling of well-being and inner strength needed in times of troubles. As their wellness are like two friends who always go hand in hand. They are the most important things we have. They are like the fuel that makes our body running like petrol for a car. Are not just about our bodies, they are also about our minds. Just like a garden needs sunshine, our minds needs positive thoughts to grow. Our bodies feel better too, so it's important to do things that make us happy, like spending time with loved ones, reading a good book or playing a game. मैं आप सबको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। नित्य सुबह उठना है हमको, थोड़ी दौड़ लगानी है सबको, कर लो थोड़ा योग अभ्यास, बीमारी को दूर भगाना है हमको, स्वस्थ भोजन को अपना लो, जंक फूड से दूर तुम भागो, फल सब्जियों का दो तुम आहार, सब जीवन शैली को तुम अपना लो, सेहतमंद रहने का देखो कमाल, जिम की हो जाएगी सबकी खुशहाल। धन्यवाद। Is capable of living life to its fullest. Now Shivansh is going to recite the poem which insists need to exercise and indulging healthy habits in life. Everyone, I'm going to recite a poem. Take care of yourself, take care of your health, run out, walk out, don't sit inside, wash your hands, stay safe.
No.
And everything, take good for your family, dinner, bake a delicious cake, do some exercise, don't be afraid, do some art, play some dolls, open the town, imagine your friends, read a book, sing your films, you're not alone, chin up, smile happy and grateful. Thank you. Importance of health. Here is a small skit by the students of our class.
जल्दी से हाथ धो लो, फिर सब मिलकर खाना खाते हैं।
पर पापा अभी खाना बनने में देरी है।
मुझे तो बहुत भूख लगी है। भूख तो मुझे भी लगी है, पर कोई बात नहीं। ऐसा करते हैं, तुम सारे मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर दो। जब तक तुम उत्तर दोगे, खाना भी तैयार हो जाएगा।
देखना, मेरा उत्तर भी सही होगा।
चलो बताओ, सबसे स्वस्थ व्यक्ति कौन है?
सबसे स्वस्थ वह है जो काम से जी नहीं चुराता, क्योंकि काम करने से भूख भी लगती है और अच्छी नींद आती है। जो हरी सब्जियां खाए, फल खाए और दूध पिए वे स्वस्थ है। मम्मी भी तो यही कहती है। स्वस्थ वही रहता है जो खूब खेलता है। देखा नहीं, मामा जी सुबह शाम तक आपकी के लिए जाते हैं, वे हंसते करते हैं। मैं तो मामा जी जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ। चलो, खाना तैयार हो गया, सब मिलकर खाना खाते हैं। आप ही बताइए, सबसे स्वस्थ व्यक्ति कौन है? मेरी राय में स्वस्थ वही है जो नाना नानी की तरह शहर के प्रदूषण से दूर और हरे भरे वातावरण में रहते हैं। अच्छा, तभी नानी इतनी गोरी है। चलिए पापा, आप ही बताइए किसका उत्तर सही है। परंतु एक ही प्रश्न के चार उत्तर कैसे हो सकती है?
साफ सुथरे वातावरण में मेहनत करके भोजन खाने वाला स्वस्थ होता है और खेलकूद से हमारा मनोरंजन भी होता है और हमारा शरीर भी स्वस्थ रहता है। समझ आया?
आप सबको ये बात ध्यान में रखनी है कि हम स्वस्थ रहने के लिए संतुलित भोजन के साथ कसरत भी करनी है। लिफ्ट के सामने सीढ़ियों को चुनना चाहिए। किसी पास के क्षेत्र में जाने के लिए हमें कार की जगह साइकिल का प्रयोग करना चाहिए।
स्वास्थ्य और तंदुरुस्ती जीवन
आती हैं। हमें उम्मीद है कि आप हमारी इन बातों को ध्यान में रखेंगे। For healthy living, you have to eat nutritious food and exercise regularly. Now we are going to present a beautiful song on healthy life.
Vegetables are very good, they give you energy. You should eat them in a meal 3 times a day. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, even beets. Look at all the colors, it's what you need. Happy eating makes you want to dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Happy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Fruits taste really yum and taste so sweet. They have lots of vitamins. It's really great. Apples, bananas, and strawberries. Eating them will help keep the doctor away. Happy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Happy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Hot dogs, hamburgers, and pizza. Oh yeah, cookies, cakes, and ice cream. They sound so sweet. Chips, candy, soda. We want it all. Just don't eat it every day. Only as a treat. Yeah, happy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Happy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Happy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Happy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along.
Live in a long and healthy life, it is important to develop an active lifestyle and eat healthy food. So my dear friends, good health is a priceless blessing and should be valued. Hope you all like the class assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. Oh, no, thank you. Now I would request Naveen ma'am to say a few words.
Assembly was very nice. Very beautifully planned.
Thank you, ma'am. It summed up everything. In fact, the song, what the children spoke, and the skit. The skit was amazing, children. I really like the way you kind of exhibited what is needed for a healthy life. It is not just nutritious food. What are the things that we need for our well-being? Exercise. Mental well-being, yes. Your mental well-being. So, vegetables, okay. not just the food that we eat, it's also the positive outlook for life. Put your hands down and listen. It's the positive outlook. So we're going to promise, each one of us today are going to promise that we start our day with a positive thought. And what is the positive thought that we're going to have in our mind is, I'm happy. All of you together. I'm happy. I'm blessed. And I'm the best. I'm happy. I'm blessed. And I'm the best. And that's going to be our motto for the day. Thank you, children. Thank you, Samriddhi ma'am. It was a wonderful assembly. Thank you.
Thank you.